Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the MDCAT Physics MCQ series 2026. Today's topic is related to the chapter which is work and energy. We will solve four important and frequently repeated MCQs with clear concept-based explanations. A horizontal force of 5 Newton is required to maintain a velocity of 2 meter per second for a block of 10 kg mass sliding over a rough surface. The work done by this force in 1 minute is, according to the given data, the force which is applied is 5 Newton on a block having mass 10 kg, and this mass is going with velocity of 2 meter per second for 1 minute time, which is equal to 60 seconds. So from this given data, we will find the work done. So we know the work done formula, which is equal to force into displacement. And here the displacement is the distance, which we know that s, which is equal to vt. So here we will replace the displacement by vt. Now we will put the data here. So the force is 5 Newton, while the velocity of the block is 2 meter per second and the time is 60 seconds. After simplification, we will got the work, which is 600 joule. MCQ number 2. A box of mass 1 kg is pulled on a horizontal plane of length 1 meter by a force of 8 Newton. Then it is raised vertically to a height of 2 meter. The net work done is, according to the given data, a box having mass 1 kg, while the force is applied on this box, which is equal to 8 Newton. Due to this force, the box is displaced horizontally up to 1 meter, and then the box is raised vertically up to 2 meter height. So we have to find these two work, and after finding these two works, one for horizontal distance and the other for vertical distance, then after we will add these two work. So after adding, we will got the net work done. So we know the work done to displace it horizontally, which is equal to F dot D. So the force is 8 Newton and horizontal distance displacement is 1 meter. So for horizontal displacement, the work is 8 joule. Now it is raised to up to 2 meter. So for that, the work done to raise it vertically, which is equal to the force will be the force, we know that we will write mg, and s is the displacement, which will be replaced by height h. So here mass is 1 kg, g is the gravity, we take at approximate value 10 meter per second square, while the height is 2 meter. So after simplification, we will got 20 joule. So now we will combine these two. After combining, we will got the net work done, which is equal to 28 joule. So option A is the correct option here. MCQ number 3. A 10 kg satellite completes one revolution around the Earth at a height of 100 km in 108 minutes. The work done by the gravitational force of Earth will be. So according to the given data, the mass of the satellite is 10 kg, and this satellite is having altitude from the Earth is 100 km, and it complete one revolution in 108 minutes. So what will be the gravitational work done on this satellite? So we know that the gravitational force always provide the centripetal force to the satellite, and this centripetal force compelled the satellite to revolve around the earth. So centripetal force is always inward, so it is perpendicular to the velocity of the satellite or the displacement of the satellite, which make 90 degrees. So we know that the work done, which is equal to F dot D cos 90, and cos 90 is equal to 0. It means that the gravitational force or the centrifugal force work is always equal to 0. So the correct option is option D. So we know that the unit of work in centimeter gram system is erg, while in system international the unit of work is joule. So 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to the power 7 erg. MCQ number 4. A pump motor is used to deliver water at a certain rate from a given pipe. To obtain twice as much water from the same pipe in the same time, power of the motor has to be increased by. So according to the question, a pump motor which deliver water in a given pipe, so we need twice water. It means that we need 2 times water which will be delivered in the same pipe, and in the same time now we have to increase the power of motor either 16 times, either 4 times, either 8 times, or 2 times. So we know the power formula, work done per unit time, and the work done which is equal to mgh work time. So here the power, g is the gravity which is constant, and h of the tank is also constant, and the time is also constant given in the question. So only one thing which the power depend upon the mass. As the mass, we want to twice the mass of the water, so we twice the power of the motor here. So that's why the correct option is option D. Thanks for watching and stay updated for such more MCQs. And these MCQs will give you a lot of help in the upcoming MDCAT exam, which will be held in 2026.